Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can export your table or your tags to your Excel in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our ClickUp platform, and here we have a couple of projects as you can see. So I am going to this one project too. So from that place I will just click to the table options. Once I click over here, then I will find out that I have almost 3 tasks here. So if I want to explore it, like export it, how I can do it? It is really simple. There is the options we have. So here you can see in the bottom we have options like this where we can add couple of things, but we don't have any options to export the file. So we just need to do the export manually. So that for reason I will open and Google Excel sheet over that place with a new from the blank, and here I will click to the blank spreadsheet, and then I will copy, like from that place I will select all the things here, just select this, like let's uncheck this one and then come back to this place, and here you can add the date also. Let's add it here, and now here you can see the Excel file has been opened. So in here I just need to be copy this one, and then I will just copy, just click this one, copy, Control C, and then I am going to paste it here. And here actually you can see it already been pasted. So if you select copy with header, then you will get to see something like this where you will get the task name, assign status, due date. So in this way you can manually export your data from ClickUp to your Excel file. I hope you love this video. If you understand or learn new thing from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.